Hello, this video is going to be on an answer to a question I'm being asked all the time. What can Reiki do for me? What are the potential good things that can happen after a Reiki treatment? Well, these are going to be some stories that I'm going to tell, and I'm going to be doing this in a more than one video because there's so many different positive things to be told about Reiki. Some of these things I'm going to discuss are going to be stories that I've gotten from other practitioners. Some of these things that I'm going to discuss in upcoming installments of these videos are going to be things that I've gotten off of the internet, things that can be confirmed. And of course, I'll give you the appropriate links and information to where you yourself can go research these things and find out for yourself. A lot of what I'm going to be putting in these videos is going to be things that I have done myself. So I know that these things are true. I know that they're verifiable because I was there. I saw them happen. I was the one that was channeling the Reiki when these things happened. So I'm not going to give any clients' names. I'm not going to give any particulars like that, but I am going to tell you about the problems that existed prior to treatment, and I'm going to tell you what the outcomes were. So let's get started. First and foremost, one of the things that Reiki was originally designed for in the 1920s, when Dr. Mikao Yasui himself first started doing Reiki treatments on the public, was relaxation. It's an opportunity to relax, let your mind de-stress, and just get into a better frame of mind. The side effects, the relaxation side effects are very similar to the side effects of a good massage. So relaxation is a great place to start. If you're stressed, if you're just not feeling well, if you've had a bad day, a Reiki treatment is a great place to go and de-stress. Now, of course, with lower stress and increased relaxation, another benefit of Reiki is it will normally lower your blood pressure. Now, that does not mean to any of you watching this video, if you're on high blood pressure medication and you're under treatment from a physician, that you need to stop your medication and tell your physician to take a walk. This is not the case. I'm not recommending that in any way. None of these videos will ever be a recommendation for you to stop what you're doing with your physician. Always continue to see your physician and to follow his or her advice. Okay, Reiki is a complementary therapy. It works well with any other drug therapy or any other therapy at all, from a physical therapist, what have you, that you're receiving from a medical professional. But it is in no way a replacement for that. So never ever stop seeing your doctor. Let me just stress that right here. Okay? But on the other hand, Reiki does, because of its relaxation aspect, have a tendency to lower your blood pressure, which means that your blood pressure medication will work better for you. It may very well mean in the long run, and I have heard of these cases where the medical professional, the doctor, will decide to either reduce your dependency on medication or remove that medication altogether. That has happened in the past. It may very well work that way for you. I'm not going to guarantee that. I'm not going to make any promises. But it's possible. But that's going to be between you and your medical practitioner, your doctor, nurses, your physician's assistant, whoever you're seeing, nurse practitioner, what have you. So, with that said, let's go on. With lower blood pressure, that's also good for your heart. So if you have any other heart conditions whatsoever, if your blood pressure is lower, your stress level is lower, your heart is probably going to be healthier and feel better on a daily basis. So, there's a benefit there. Moving on, pain relief and pain management. I personally have treated many people that have come to me for pain. Okay, and these range of problems come from headaches, pain associated with arthritis, just common everyday. I stretch this, I spraying that, I bump this, I hurt that, my arm is sore, my legs hurt, my feet hurt, I'm on them all day. These types of things. Okay, these are all very common complaints, and it seems to me that each and every time that I've treated a client that come to me with these complaints, they feel better when they leave me. So I'm going to say pain relief and pain management is a big part of what Reiki can do for you. You can find also all over the internet. There are many different publications, many different studies, postings here and there and everywhere that would say that other people seem to believe the same way that I do. That Reiki is a wonderful source to go to when you want to manage pain and feel better. So pain relief is a part of it. Arthritis, the arthritis doesn't go away, but it doesn't hurt as much. It's not as debilitating through the use of regular Reiki treatments. I recommend, if you have ongoing pain, that you be treated at least once a week or so. I'll let that be between you and your practitioner. If you come see me at Mid-Missouri Reiki here in Pilot Grove, Missouri, then I would recommend to you that if you're in a lot of pain, that you see me once a week and that we retreat you accordingly. So pain relief is a big positive side effect. Also, last but not least in this video, we're going to talk about hospital stays and surgery, pre-surgery and post-surgery. Reiki has been shown to be a very positive complementary therapy with speeding up the healing process and recovery times on surgery or hospital stays. In other words, if you know you're going in for surgery, you might want to consider getting a Reiki treatment prior to going in for a surgery. What this does is it boosts your body system, it puts you in a heightened state of wellness, and it's going to also allow you to receive the treatments that you're getting at the hospital in a more positive light. You're going to go into it feeling better to start with, and then the treatments, the therapies, the surgeries that you're receiving while you're in the hospital, basically they just work better. They work better. The anesthesia, it requires less anesthesia to go into surgery, is what some have noticed, and you go into the surgery in a better state, and you come out of the surgery a lot easier. And then if you're treated again post-surgery, then the healing process is boosted, and once again, everything that the doctor did, it's just going to work better. It's going to be boosted. So the Reiki can be used as a booster before surgery. It can be used as a booster after surgery. It can speed up the healing process. In other words, I have seen and heard different accounts from different people that say, well, the doctor said it was going to take me 6 to 8 weeks to recover, to where I would feel better. I'd be able to get back out, play with my kids, play with the grandchildren, go fishing, work in a garden, whatever it is that you like to do. Well, that 6 to 8 weeks in many cases has been turned into 4 weeks. 5 weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Every case is different. Everybody is different. So I'm in no way saying that Reiki is going to make you bulletproof. You're going to go in, you're going to get your surgery, you're going to come out, you're going to be running foot races the next day. No, the Boston Marathon does not need to be on your calendar 3 days after some sort of a surgery. Okay? But on the other hand, if you want to feel better faster, Reiki is an excellent complementary therapy to add to what you're already doing. So, there you have it. There are just a few positive side effects that come from Reiki. We're going to have more to come. And if you have questions, comments, feel free to leave them here on my YouTube page. Or, once again, visit me on Facebook at Mid-Missouri Reiki. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you soon.